Hello, Best Self with Steph. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's having a good day. My day started off super rough. I'm still getting through it, but I just found something out that I just tried, and I want to bring you all in on my secret too. Wow, my phone is having a really tough time adjusting to this light. Maybe it's too bright. Hold on. It's my new ring light, guys. I'm not used to it yet. There we go. Yeah. Hey, Denitra. Denitra already knows the trick. I already shared it with her. Hello, Jasenia. So, I wanted to come on and show you my leggings under jeans hack. Okay? Here we go. So, I figured it out because I am wearing pants with leggings, all right? And I put them on this morning, had a hard time, just like I'm sure most of you do. You put on your leggings, then you put on your pants, and your leggings get bunched up, and you're just like, wow, this is really awkward. This is not comfortable. I hate it, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit because I'm gonna back away a little bit. Okay, so what I figured out, because I tried it, and it works. What I figured out is that if you take your leggings, these are a pair of my favorite leggings. I call them my space pants. And you put them in your pants first. Put them in your pants. Hey, Tina. So take your leggings, put them in your pants. Do not put your leggings on without putting them in your pants. Don't do it. Just don't do it. It's a waste of your time. So if you take your leggings, you put them in your pants. Hold on. I was like on the floor when I did this. Oh, I put them in backwards. That's fine. So for example's sake, line up the waist, okay? And then shove your hand in there. Just shove it. Get that legging in that hole. Okay? Got it. Then the next one. Are you guys following me? Does this make sense? Does anyone else do this? Because I just tried it and I love it. All right. So, as you can see, one of the leggings are past the pants, one is not. You can always adjust that when you put them on, but now you can just put on your leggings and your pants at the same time. Hey, Tina. And they look great. And they're not bunched up. See, I'm wearing leggings under these pants, another one of my favorite pairs. And it's great. And it works great. I love it. Let me know if that's awesome for you, and let me know if you try it. Bye, guys.